Hey there! Welcome to AEBC's channel where we bring you the best tips and tricks to enhance your online experience. Today we have something special in store for you. We're going to show you 10 mind-blowing tips and tricks to optimize your internet speed and turbocharge your online activities. Tip number 1. Conduct a speed test. It's essential to know your current internet speed. Use tools like speedtest.net or fast.com to measure your download and upload speeds. If it's not up to par, inform your internet provider. Tip number 2. Upgrade your router. If you're still using an outdated router, upgrading to a newer model can significantly improve your internet speed. Look for routers with advanced features like dual band connectivity, quality of service or QoS settings, and beamforming technology. Just give your internet service provider a call to validate if your router is up for an upgrade. Tip number 3. Position your router strategically. The position of your router can also affect your internet speed. Place it in a central location away from obstacles like walls and metal objects. Ideally, it should be elevated and have clear line of sight to your devices. Tip number 4. Minimize interference. Interference from other devices like microwaves, cordless phones, and Bluetooth speakers can also affect your internet speed. Move these devices away from your router or switch to wired connections instead. Tip number 5. Clear your browser cache. Clearing your browser cache and history can also help improve your internet speed. Over time, your browser accumulates temporary files and data that can slow down your connection. Clearing these can help free up resources and improve performance. Tip number 6. Install ad blockers and malware protection. Ads and malware can also slow down your internet speed. Installing ad blockers and malware protection software can help prevent these from affecting your connection. Tip number 7. Use Ethernet cables. Wired connections generally offer faster speeds and more stable connections than wireless connections. Whenever possible, use Ethernet cables to connect your devices directly to your router. Tip number 8. Disable background applications. Background applications and processes can also affect your internet speed. Close unnecessary applications and processes to free up resources and improve performance. Tip number 9. Prioritize your network traffic. If you're sharing your connection with multiple devices, prioritizing network traffic can help ensure that important applications like video conferencing or online gaming receive adequate bandwidth. Tip number 10. Upgrade your plan. Finally, if none of the other tips work and you still find yourself struggling with slow internet speeds, consider upgrading your home internet plan or consult with your internet service provider to see what options are available in your area. With these 10 tips and tricks, you can improve your connection and enjoy a faster, more reliable internet experience. And there you have it, folks. 10 jaw-dropping tips and tricks to optimize your internet speed and revolutionize your online experience. Say goodbye to buffering and lag and say hello to a whole new level of internet awesomeness. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to never miss a video. Until next time, stay connected and keep blazing through the digital world.